Today we're going to show you a secret on how to mount things on the wall and knowing exactly where you need to place the holes. How you're going to use this secret is you're going to get some masking tape, whether it's white, blue, whatever, or even some clear sticky tape. You're going to get an erasable marker. And right here you see the 4 places that we're going to need to have this thing mounted on the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of tape, mark every single one of the holes, and we'll show you the next step. Okay, as you see, we've put it along the structure here. Okay, so what you do, you pull it up where it's supposed to go. Okay, and what we're going to do is at the very top where it's supposed to go, okay, so you see we have our marks here. They're ready to go. So we're going to peel this tape off, put it up leveled on the wall where we want it to go, and we can actually instantly sink our holes in there and we know exactly where they're going. Okay, so what you do is you put your line up on the wall exactly where you want it, and then what you do is you get your level up there. You make sure that your line is level, and then you get to your marks, you drill a hole in there, and then you pull the tape off. Okay, then once you get your holes in there, you pull your tape down. Your holes are perfect, exactly where you want them. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but they're right there. Tap in whatever kind of anchors you're trying to get so that you get a perfect install every time. Okay, we've got our bolts sunk in. We're going to screw them in and show you the perfect installation. All right, we got it up on the wall. It's mounted, it's completely level, and it's ready to go. This is before and all right, so we got it all posted up. It is ready to go.